Every hike starts with the first step. This one starts at the edge of South Lake Tahoe, Van Sickle Trail. Tucked just behind the buzz of town, it's easy to miss, but hard to forget. As you climb, the noise of life fades away. All you hear is wind, your breath, and the sound of your own pace. It's quiet and kind of peaceful, like the trail gives you room to think. It's not the steepest hike, but it makes you work a little. The trail winds through pines and over granite, teasing you with quick glimpses of the lake through the trees, just enough to keep you going. If you push a little further, the trail opens up and Lake Tahoe stretches out in front of you. It's massive, blue, still, and you feel small in the best way possible. And then you hear it, the waterfall, tucked in its own little cove, cold, clear, and perfect. It's like a reward for showing up. You pause, you breathe, and for a moment, everything else fades.